Alright, so what I have here is an 8011 axle that was sold to me from Rock Auto that it fit on my 94 9000. And while this end, everything is correct, the links, the thread, sensor wheel, the diameter, it even has a tripod. The tripod is slightly too large to fit in the cup. It's the wrong number. So I had already put grease on this one. They would not take it back. So I am going to take it apart so that we can all see how to pull the boots off and how to take one apart. Same construction as the one that should fit it, except that these bearings here were a little too large in circumference to fit. So first thing we need to do, we need to pop off that, can you see that? A clip right there. Need to pop that clip off. So let me get myself some room so I can grab it. Woo! Okay, well it came off. Went in a box over there. So now this should just pull off like that. Then we want to release. You can either cut it off with wire cutters, or in this case we can unfold it and remove it. It's like a belt buckle. I'm going to keep this as a spare boot. Do the same thing here. Let's go ahead and take this one off so we can slide the whole boot down. Come on. There's a lip right there. And it doesn't want to leave it. There it goes. See, right here. So now we can pull this boot all the way off. Man, that boot is on there tight. Let's see. I can take that off. I think that ring right there will come off. I win. So, smaller one's for tripod. Bigger one is for the CV.